And tonight's question comes from Gavin, and Gavin writes in saying, Ken, my boss has threatened to fire me if I don't come to work, but 3 of my coworkers are sick and I suspect they have coronavirus. Can my boss do that? So I guess he's asking, does he have to show up for work?
Boy, that's a big question out there right now. Do I have to come to work?
Sure.
So here's the deal on that. Standard work practices still apply. Okay, so unless you're in a protected class, sex, race, age, religion, those types of things, unless you're in a protected class, now keep this in mind. If your employer brings you in and they're not doing the certain things that they're supposed to be doing to keep people separated, to keep people safe, then later on, if, for example, you do contract coronavirus and you're able to link that back to someone in your office that was contagious, then you may have a civil claim against your employer. Right now, unless they're breaking the law, that means if it's one of those businesses that's been deemed essential and can be open for work, then you're probably going to either have to work or you're going to have to try to work from home. But your boss isn't going to be liable for asking you to come to work or saying if you can't do the work, then if you can't help me, I can't help you, and that still goes. Alabama is still an at-will state. Now, if you're in one of those non-essential businesses that are not supposed to be open and your boss tells you to come in and work anyway in violation of the law, then that might be something completely different. I suspect that the laws will kind of be ever changing in this. I suspect there will be some legislation that covers some of these things, but for right now, the law that was in place before coronavirus is the same law that's going to apply right now.
All right, fair enough. Thank you very much. If you would like more information, go to deliveringjustice.com or go to the LawCall link right there at WBRC.com. So lots of different ways to get in touch with Ken and the folks there at Ferris Riley and Pitt.